One of the games with the kinda weirdest looking characters is the Roblox game Rainbow Friends. Well, they don't look always so friendly, and this one we're going to draw today, Purple, is a gangly and a little bit scary looking thing with big dark eyes and an odd twisty body. But there is one thing I'll say for him. He's purple, and I like that. You know I like purple. I'm getting going. I'm gonna draw this weird little guy, Purple. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. Did you know we publish lots of fun coloring books for both adults and kids? You can get them from Amazon, Etsy, or the Art for All website. Check the link in the description for more details. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.